Love, soft as an easy chair. Love, fresh as the morning air. One love that is shared by two, I have found with you. Like a rose under the April snow, I was always certain love would grow.
I moved to London 2 years ago and started studying music. Obviously, you meet a lot of musicians there, which are always, in my opinion, the most interesting people. I think whenever you meet new people, you also discover a new side of yourself, so that's always exciting. I've been singing since I was 4. I have a duet with my father, actually. We started playing together when I was 5, and we still do so after 16 years.
Morning glory and midnight sun.